This is our third time sponsoring Civo Navigate.
It's actually our second Civo Navigate. The first one was in London.
I just came from Switzerland, next to Austin, just for Civo Navigate.
I traveled all the way from India. It was a 24-hour flight. It's been a while, but it's definitely worth the travels.
And it's been awesome experience.
Hi, the event was great. Like a lot of interesting and innovative talks. Got to learn a lot.
So this is my third year at Civo. It always gets better. Awesome people.
Awesome place. You should come next time also to the next event of Civo in North America. See ya there.
The event has been great. A lot of business opportunities in terms of potential partners that we can work with, as well as a lot of different ML teams of companies that are here. So if you are doing anything on Kubernetes, if you are doing anything around DevOps, this is an event to be.
Hey, Kid Brooker here at Civo Navigate 2024 in Austin, Texas. And look at this place. The vibe, the energy, the sponsors, everything's been awesome. The food here is the best. Seriously, it's been just awesome here. Civo Navigate, if you haven't been, check them out. It's a great event. Come next year.
It's actually our second Civo Navigate. The first one was in London. And this one is just as awesome. The venue here is just beautiful. And we're having some fantastic conversations today.
This venue has been amazing. I've been learning so much, and Civo Navigate really knows how to pick them. Make sure that you show up next year.
We're a sponsor of Civo Navigate here in Austin. We've had a fantastic time. This is day one, and so far we've had some great conversations with Kubernetes users and platform engineers alike. And it's been a fantastic event organized by Civo this time around.
Civo Navigate. So the event, as you might be able to see behind me, is quite packed. The sessions have been great so far. There's workshops. The food was great for one event, believe me when I say that. And well, if we see around, there's pretty much very known people that we could get together. We could talk with them. So Civo Navigate again. One of my favorite conferences, human size, and I love it.
Pieces is so happy to be here. We've had some great conversations. We're meeting so many enthusiastic developers here. This is awesome to be here in Austin, so we're having a great time.
Hey, I'm Kyle at Civo Navigate here with Dagger. We're sponsoring. Here meeting lots of users, platform engineers, DevOps engineers, lots of great folks. Fantastic venue.
The energy is pretty unique. It's nice to see all of these startups. A lot of these talks are focusing on things that are being built right at the cutting edge of technology, whether it be WASM, whether it be AIs and LLMs, or even observability. And it's just nice seeing people, being free and fluid to talk about anything they want. All the networking here is very organic. It's something that I don't see at conferences a lot anymore.
Really good event. We've seen some really awesome people coming up here wanting to learn about Kubernetes and how Kubernetes can help their business. So a really good audience, great questions being asked, and the real energy in the crowd. So amazing event, love it.
Hi, we're Defense.com. This is our third time sponsoring Civo Navigate. It's great every time. Started back in Tampa, and now we're here in Texas. Had some great conversations with people all day. Love talking with everybody and love just seeing everybody.
And the next location, you have to be there. Come. You will have a lot of fun.